Narrate everything you remember about Romeo and Juliet.
Uh, there was a quarrel between the Capulets and the Montagues. If a Capulet went a Montague on the street, the Capulet would usually say rude things to the Montague. So would a Montague to a Capulet. This quarrel never ended. One time the the Capulets were having a party and the Montague wanted to join in because the lady he loved or thought so was there at the party. But when he was at the party, he found he saw another lady, Juliet, there. When Tybalt, her cousin, mm, saw that a Montague was inside, um, she told Lord Capulet, the head of the Capulets. But Lord Capulet was very, 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 very kind that he just told Tybalt to leave him be. To leave him be. Mm, just then, Juliet was called from her mother. Then Romeo walked out of the party and then he went to the garden. In the garden, he saw Juliet there, and they talked for a while. Then Juliet said, "I will send you for you tomorrow." So then Romeo went to a priest and said, "I need to marry Juliet. Will you help me?" So the priest helped him. Then Juliet sent her nurse, and the nurse received a message from Romeo and said and reported it to Juliet that the wedding was ready. On the wedding day, the two the pair were afraid to ask their parents to marry each other. But feel but the priest said that maybe maybe it would this would the marriage of these two would of these two would end the quarrel. So they both married. But Juliet's father, not knowing that she was married, said told her that she would have to marry a man named Paris. So she asked, but she did not want to because she was already married. She asked the priest for his help. Meanwhile, and at the street, Romeo met Tybalt, the cousin of Juliet. Mm, and Tybalt told him to fight, but he did not want to fight the cousin of Juliet. But one of his friends was with him, drew his sword, but he was but he was too weak, so Tybalt killed him easily. Romeo was so mad at Tybalt for killing his friend that he challenged him to a fight. They fought and fought until Tybalt was killed. Mm, and the priest said to Juliet. Then the priest said to Juliet, "I will help you. I will give you a drink that will make you stay dead. That will make you that would make you dead for 2 days. Mm. And when you wake up, me and Romeo will be there to take care of you. Will you do this, or are you afraid?" "I will do it," Juliet said. So when the wedding was time, the nurse of Juliet told her to get ready for the wedding. But she saw that Juliet was lying dead in her bed. So she said in a loud voice, "My lady is dead." So they took her to the church, and instead of getting married, she was buried. And then the priest said that sent a messenger to Romeo that the death of Juliet was fake. But the messenger was delayed, and Romeo heard the news that Juliet was dead. Mm, then then um then he rushed to a place where all the dead Capulets were, and asked about he was and when he was about to open the door with Juliet, he said, a voice stopped him. It was Paris, and they fought again, and they fought until Paris died. But as Romeo's sword pierced him, his last words were, "Put me beside Juliet." So Romeo did. Then, and he really thought that Juliet was dead and wanted to die beside her, so he drank the poison he bought and died right beside Juliet. When Juliet woke up, she found Paris and her husband right beside her, dead. The priest had arrived too late, and so Juliet drew out Romeo's sword and pierced it through her heart, and fell right beside Romeo. The death of these two stopped the quarrel of the Montague and Capulets. That's it.